Here's Lauren with me now, the look which I want to do. Basically, it's modern contour, which means definition and highlighting and bringing life to the face. Bit of toner, and I'm just going to take this over the face. This is going to remove any residue from your cleansing regime. I'm now going to use CHANEL No. 10. It's a very, very light moisturiser, and just gently massage it into the skin. And then we can start using the foundation. Number 1, the CHANEL. Just take it there and blend it in with my fingers. Yes, be gentle, but also you can be firm. Just going to brush the brows. And now I'm going to use a tiny bit of concealer. Just a tiny bit of concealer under the eyes. Blend that in. Knock it in very gently so I'm not hurting Lauren's eyes at all. You can put foundation and concealer on eyelids. I don't bother. The natural lid that is now showing is so beautiful. You don't need to cover that up. So now I'm going to start just enhancing the cheekbones and defining the face. So I'm going to take this beige and it's called Sunshine Light. And I'm just going to swirl it around, shake excess off, and now I'm just going to shape the face. So coming down from the side of the ear, down under the cheekbone, and then up onto the cheekbone. Down and up. Look straight ahead and you can see the difference. Down from the ear and up. Now I'm going to ask Lauren to look at me so I can see if I've done that evenly. I'm now going to start blending. The most important about everything is the blending. Look at me, baby. What's really important, I think, is to get a little bit into the hairline at the top so there's no differentiation of colour between the cheekbone and the top of the forehead. So I'm just going to now gently blend this in just a weeny bit. But as you can see, it's now softened the face. On the side temple, I haven't put the brush back into the bronzer. I'm using the same amount that's on the brush, so be very careful how much you use. Now I'm putting the brush back in. I'm very gently going to go to the chin and put it weeny bit on the chin, just underneath the chin to blend it so it all becomes blended in. There we go. Just a tiny bit more by the temples. And there, now Lauren's face is bronzed and beautiful. But I don't want to stop there. And now take a very gentle blusher, clean brush. So going back here to the side of the face and then coming down on the cheekbone. And then just blending that in. So on the cheekbone. Down and on the cheekbone and blending that in. So now the face is a bit warmer and a bit more flushed. Perfect. So now we're going to put on a little bit of lipstick. Great. There you go. That's it. So here we have Lauren with her gorgeous finished look, which is basically just exaggerated her features. It's just brought out her cheekbones and given her a gorgeous, healthy, glowing look for the day. Just using bronzer, blush, foundation and concealer and a little bit of lip balm, and that's it. She looks so amazing. Thank you, darling.